This is how you make your own custom stickers on your iPhone. Stickers are specific to the Messages app, I think. I'm pretty sure. So in iMessages, if you open up any chat thread, there's going to be a little plus icon on the bottom left, and there's going to be a little stickers option. If you tap on that, it's going to show all the stickers that you previously made. There are ones that are just default to the iPhone. Various apps add stickers as well. But this little folded icon here, folded circle, those are the custom ones where you can make your own. To make a new one, just tap on this little plus right here. Find a photo in your photos. Just going to look up our dog. And this is a pretty fun one of him. And now it cuts him out of the background. You can see this flashing outline that goes around him. That's going to be the sticker. Tap on plus. And now we have our sticker. You can add effect. Make him shiny. Look at that. Look how fun that is. And now when there's any kind of message, I can tap and hold on it. I can attach a sticker. You can do all these options here, which are the default ones. But let's attach a sticker to it. And then choose this guy. And attaches them to that specific message. Did it twice because it's a message thread. Message within a message. Anyway, it usually does it once per message. Hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's probably something you've never done, but it's something you should be doing on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.